Okay, let's create our pattern by opening up Affinity Photo. You're going to want to start by opening a file, new, making the page width 1000 by 1000 pixels. I like to keep it at DPI 300 just to make sure everything is sharp and clear, and the resolution is pretty high. Let's create. You can import all of your images that you're going to need to make the pattern. The easiest way is to go to File, Place, open your source folder, and for this pattern I want to have a clear background, so it's not a white background. So I'm going to duplicate this. And we're going to play around with it. So what I want to do is make this a bit smaller and just have it in this area right here. Okay, so what you want to do is open the transform panel. So go to View, Studio, Transform, and this is going to open up the X and Y axis of any of the images that you have. So when you click on it, this one is on the X axis. And because we made our entire page 1000 by 1000 pixels, all we have to do is do plus 1000, enter, and it'll move it to the other side equally. So what I am going to do is go ahead and copy and duplicate this. And as you can see, we can move this in any direction that we want, and it'll be even when we make this tile pattern. So now place them as you want, anywhere you would like. And here's a demonstration of putting something in the y-axis. So we're going to duplicate this green dancer right here. We want to duplicate it. We're going to do minus 1000 pixels, and it'll move it straight to the top. And now it's just a matter of creating the pattern that you want. Okay, once you decide that you like how your pattern looks, we're going to go to File, Export. And I'm keeping this as a PNG to keep a clear, transparent background. So let's export this. I'm just going to title it Tile Pattern. Save. I'm going to open the file we just created. So open. I'm going to go to Layer, New Pattern Layer from Selection. And now it creates a special pattern. We're going to create a new file, and specifically for Redbubble, I have it saved as a template right here. And this is the sizes that I know will fit all of the items in Redbubble. So we're going to create. We go back to our tile pattern. We go to copy and paste with Control V. We get at our move tool. And just like that, you created a seamless pattern that can be rotated, upscaled, downscaled, and it's ready to be uploaded to any print-on-demand website. And don't forget to check out my other video tutorial on how to use Redbubble for beginners step by step. And another video that relates to this is how to make money as an artist through passive income. So one of the recommendations I have is to watch all 3 of these videos that I created, and they work seamless together in order to create a pattern, upload it to Redbubble or any other print-on-demand website. And in turn, this is another way to try and earn passive income as an artist. If you did enjoy this video, please consider hitting the like button, ringing the bell, and leaving a comment, as this will help out my channel greatly. Thank you so much, and see you later. Bye.